AI ETFs are investment vehicles centered around companies participating in the advancement, implementation, or application of artificial intelligence technologies. These funds provide investors with the opportunity to access a varied collection of companies actively involved in AI-related endeavors. In today's world where artificial intelligence holds growing significance across diverse sectors, AI ETFs have garnered notable interest. So, wouldn't this be the right time and the right investment for you to start with? Before you do that, here are some things that you should know. Step into the world of Nova Society, where personal finance takes center stage. Join our vibrant community if you haven't already. We'd be thrilled to have you. Several decades ago, the advent of the internet sparked profound transformations and generated substantial wealth, as investors harnessed its unpredictable momentum. Now, artificial intelligence, AI, is altering everyday tasks, surpassing the realms of science fiction to seamlessly integrate into various aspects of our lives. This parallel echoes the transformative impact of the internet during the 1990s, establishing itself as the forthcoming revolutionary force. The opportunity to invest in this AI-driven future is now at your fingertips through AI ETFs. Embracing this life-altering opportunity is what you should envision. Armed with $30,000 and a fervent desire to acquire a gleaming $25,000 car, you face a unique challenge. You seek to achieve your dream without tapping into your savings. Instead, you aim to invest this sum and utilize the generated profits to manifest your dream car. Piqued by curiosity, you embark on an exploratory journey to uncover the enigma surrounding these AI ETFs. Why AI? The AI sector isn't just experiencing growth, it's undergoing an expansion characterized by unprecedented progress and boundless potential. This technology has permeated every facet of our existence, fundamentally altering industries, reshaping our daily lives, and igniting uncharted realms of innovation. Although this groundbreaking advancement has been evolving quietly for years, it catapulted into the global spotlight in late 2022. The momentum of the AI wave is so swift that even the tech titans, the very visionaries who have shaped our digital landscape, are advocating for a momentary pause in AI development to enable regulations to keep pace. Influential figures like Elon Musk, the driving force behind Tesla and SpaceX, and Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, are among those advocating for prudent and responsible AI advancement. Their concerns underscore the seismic influence AI is poised to exert across all aspects of our lives. For investors like you, this represents an extraordinary opportunity comparable to the chance of investing in Amazon or Apple during the 1990s. Consider the staggering wealth one could have amassed by investing in these tech giants during their nascent stages. A mere $1,000 investment then would now be valued at an astounding $1,162,615.73. What are ETFs? AI ETFs can be likened to containers brimming with stocks from a multitude of companies deeply engaged in the realm of artificial intelligence. This setup is akin to possessing ownership in a variety of distinct AI-focused companies all in one fell swoop, culminating in a well-rounded and stimulating investment collection. With this concept clarified, let's proceed to determine whether you can fulfill your dream of acquiring your coveted car sans depleting your accrued savings. iShares US Tech Breakthrough Multisector ETF. This ETF has exhibited exceptional performance throughout this year, boasting an impressive return of 21.7%. The added advantage lies in its notably low expense ratio of just 0.4%, signifying minimal fees for investors. Let's introduce you with a relatively modest investment of $30,000. You're positioned to realize a staggering annual profit of $6,510. This substantial sum can be channeled towards turning dreams into reality, perhaps even acquiring that $25,000 dream car within an astonishing span of less than 4 years. Your journey behind the wheel is propelled by the triumph of intelligent investment decisions, and it's worth mentioning that your initial investment of $30,000 will remain intact. The distinctive factor that sets this ETF apart is its focused concentration on the most dynamic sectors of our era. We're talking about fields like robotics, AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, financial services, and genomics, domains teetering on the brink of extraordinary progress. Nestled within this remarkable portfolio are industry stalwarts such as Salesforce, a dominant player in CRM software, and Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, harnessing the power of AI to revolutionize their operations. This ETF offers a commendable level of diversification, encompassing a substantial number of companies within its holdings. In comparison to other alternatives carrying heftier fees, this trait makes it a particularly appealing choice for investors aiming to optimize their returns. Global X Robotics AI ETF. This particular ETF has demonstrated exceptional performance this year, delivering a robust return of 23.9%. The expense ratio is recorded at 0.69, slightly higher than choices, but still within reasonable bounds. With a capital of $30,000 ready to invest, you could potentially attain an annual profit of $7,170 based on the current rates. By opting for this ETF, you are taking strides toward enhancing and securing your financial prospects. Additionally, regarding your dream of acquiring your dream car, the yearly profit of $7,170 could potentially materialize that dream in 3 years and 6 months, offering a notably favorable return on your investment. This ETF concentrates on investing in firms positioned at the forefront of AI, automation, and industrial robotics, domains brimming with substantial growth potential and driving innovation. The watchword here is diversity, evident in the impressive portfolio encompassing 298 companies. This diversity functions as a shield against the hazards linked to investing solely in a single entity. The power of diversification serves to maintain the strength and resilience of your investment. However, the appeal doesn't end there. This ETF extends its reach by providing a global blend of holdings, transcending geographical boundaries. This signifies that your benefits aren't restricted to a single region. Instead, you embrace a global panorama that taps into excellence from all corners of the world. Through its robust performance, diverse holdings, and worldwide perspective, this AI ETF unfurls an exciting prospect for investors seeking exposure to the dynamic realms of robotics and AI. Seize the opportunity to be an integral part of the future. Technology Select Sector Spider Fund. Commonly referred to as the Spider Fund, this ETF exhibits a commendable return of 24.2%. What's particularly enticing is its incredibly low expense ratio, standing at a mere 0.1%. This translates to a minimal fee burden, amounting to just $1 for every $1,000 invested. With your $30,000 earmarked for investment, you could potentially anticipate a yearly profit of $7,260 based on prevailing rates. Harnessing this annual profit, you could potentially achieve your objective in slightly over 3 years. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill ETF, it spotlights industry heavyweights such as Apple and Microsoft. The ETF encompasses a diverse array of holdings, encompassing trailblazers like Nvidia, Salesforce, Adobe, and Oracle. This comprehensive diversification ensures that the risks inherent in your investment are spread across a multitude of promising companies, minimizing vulnerability and optimizing the potential for success. What truly distinguishes this ETF is its exceptional management track record over the years, consistently delivering robust long-term outcomes. While its year-to-date performance might not top the list, it proudly boasts the best 5-year return, an impressive 19.5%. This underscores its consistent historical performance. Leveraging its focused approach to the AI domain and the added advantage of a low expense ratio, the Technology Select Sector Spider Fund emerges as a compelling option for investors aiming to tap into the potential of artificial intelligence. Invesco NASDAQ Internet ETF. This particular ETF has demonstrated remarkable performance this year, boasting a robust return of 24.9%. The expense ratio is pegged at 0.6%, a reasonable figure considering the impressive 24.9% return. Your $30,000 investment translates into an annual profit of $7,470. Now, let's consider your dream of owning a $25,000 car. With your annual profit of $7,470, you could potentially turn this dream into reality in slightly over 3 years, specifically 3 years and 4 months. However, what truly distinguishes this ETF and will surely set your pulse racing is its strategic focus on tech giants, entities ideally positioned to thrive in the burgeoning AI market. Imagine industry leaders like Meta and Amazon spearheading the charge in the realm of artificial intelligence. These powerhouse companies stand at the forefront of innovation, poised to revolutionize how we live, work, and interact. By investing in this ETF, you're essentially riding the wave of their successes, positioning yourself for exceptional gains. Diversity is the key to prosperity, and this ETF excels in this regard, boasting an abundance of it. With a well-balanced portfolio comprising 85 companies, it embraces a robust and diversified investment approach. The top 10 holdings alone feature industry giants like Meta and Amazon, ensuring your investment is firmly anchored in the luminaries of the tech realm. Moreover, the top 50% of holdings span 7 impressive firms, excluding the tech titan Apple. This astute diversification fosters equilibrium, mitigates risk, and augments the potential for sustained growth. If delving into AI and technology investment intrigues you, the Invesco NASDAQ Internet ETF stands as an alluring choice. With its robust returns, prominent AI players, and well-diversified composition, it presents a compelling opportunity to reap the rewards of the dynamic advancements in AI. Roundhill Metaverse ETF. With an impressive year-to-date return of 27.8%, this ETF has showcased stellar performance. An added advantage is the remarkably low expense ratio, standing at a mere 0.59. This ensures that a significant portion of your hard-earned money stays with you. Considering your investment of $30,000, you could potentially have a profit of $8,340 within a single year. This signifies genuine financial growth without exerting any physical effort. Taking into account your dream of acquiring a $25,000 car, your yearly profit of $8,340 could potentially facilitate the realization of this dream in just 2 years and 11 months, all while retaining the initial $30,000. However, what truly sets this ETF apart and makes it an exhilarating opportunity is its divergence from conventional tech giants. It embraces a diverse array of companies hailing from the captivating realms of gaming and entertainment. Visualize entities like Roblox, Tencent, and Sony leading the way. These innovators aren't merely shaping the future, they're actively crafting it. By investing in the Roundhill Metaverse ETF, you're effectively positioning yourself at the forefront of this transformative industry. Through the Roundhill Metaverse ETF, your investment isn't a blind leap. This ETF zeroes in on companies that occupy the vanguard of shaping the metaverse, a virtual domain where individuals engage and immerse themselves in remarkable experiences. These companies are also trailblazers in the areas of artificial intelligence and the foundational infrastructure that fuels the metaverse. While this ETF might be relatively nascent and possess fewer holdings compared to some counterparts, it has nonetheless exhibited impressive performance. Its distinctive selection of companies renders it an enticing choice for investors. If the notion of living off dividends from ETFs appeals to you, it's best to research more about the pros and cons. Before investing in AI ETFs or any investment there is, it's advisable to assess your capacity for risk and, if necessary, seek guidance from a financial consultant. Staying updated and keeping up with the most recent trends and advancements within the AI sector is crucial. By watching this video, you are now one step ahead in the process. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.